How to stop people from tagging me on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to stop people from tagging me on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your TikTok app, then now you may go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, go ahead and click on the three lines or the three bars found on the upper right corner of the screen. Then right here, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Privacy. So again, click on Privacy and scroll down until you can see the safety section. So under the safety section, there are a lot of options, but I would like you to focus on the third option, which is mentions and tags. So again, click on mentions and tags, and then under the who can tag you, make sure to click on no one right here. So wait for it to load, and then this button will turn red. If you don't want others to mention you as well, then click on no one as well on who can mention you. So now you may go back once again, and then what will happen now is that people will not be able to tag you or mention you on TikTok. So that's it. That's how you can stop people from tagging me on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.